How to get unbanned from Omegle. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the secret way on how to get unbanned from Omegle. You will need to use a Google Chrome browser for this to work the best. And now when I'm on the Google Chrome browser, I need to click right here. After that, I will click on settings and now go where it says security and privacy. Now we will need to select browsing history and then select the cookies and also cached image and files. And after you have done that, click here where it says clear data. Now after you're done that, go back to Omegle and try once again, and it should now work for you. If it does not work for you, then you might want to try to use another browser instead of Google Chrome and see if that will solve the issue for you. But this method that I just showed to you should solve this issue for most of you out there. So this is how to get unbanned from Omegle. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.